Hey lovely girlies, welcome back to Daily Whisk. How have you been? Let me know in the comment section. I was scrolling through Meesho, minding my own business and trying to find something new to buy when I stumbled upon this little beauty. It says it's a painless hair removal product that will give me smooth and flawless skin. Really? Let's see if there's any truth to what they say. I tried finding this product and its reviews elsewhere. So I thought, why not I review it myself? So here I am looking at all the descriptions about this product. It is available in free size and in different colors. And here it is, our beloved product, right at our doorstep. Let's unbox it together and see if the product is as interesting as it says. And is it worth the hype? And if you should buy it or not. First impressions really matter, whether it is a product or a boy. So girlies, always remember, never lower your standard, okay? So now back to the product. Let's see what we have got here. My parameters for this should be that it is easy to use and is a painless product. And from the looks of it, it is shiny and pink. And who doesn't love pink? Let's see if it actually works or not. The shape is very unique and it fits right in my hand. It is so cute and so sexy, isn't it? Now let's try using the product on my hand. Okay, it is easy to glide on. So this product is definitely a hit. Comment if you would buy it yourself as well. Here are some pictures of it so that you can get more idea about this product.